is going to be a makeup tutorial on the look I'm wearing. We are really doing it up old school here on my channel. My last video was a haul. No one does hauls anymore. And today's video is a classic, traditional, nostalgic tutorial. And it's crazy because I know people don't watch tutorials anymore, but I've gotten so many requests to do a Thanksgiving look, so that is what I'm doing for you guys today. This is truly my ideal Thanksgiving look. I'm probably gonna do something like this on Thursday. And I really love this look because I feel like the eyeliner is what really ties everything together. I really do think this look is perfect for something like Thanksgiving dinner. And honestly, I can do warm looks till the end of time. I can bathe myself in orangey toned makeup. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoy this look and I hope you recreate it. And if you do, don't forget to tag me. But if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my eyes. And I'm gonna be taking the new Colourpop Minor in Astrology palette. This is actually a palette I curated with Colourpop. And honestly, the whole goal behind this was to make an empty, oh, this isn't it. It's this one. I mean, it's the same thing. Was to make an empty Z palette so you guys can throw in the blushes or throw in any eyeshadow you want. But I wanted to Kathleenify one. I've been wanting to make one of these palettes with Colourpop forever now, so I'm so happy we did. And have you seen something more adorable? I love this foil because it just looks so, oh, look at that, look at that. Beautiful. So you can get these palettes now on Colourpop and they're only 10 bucks like the empty ones. But I'm gonna take the curated eyeshadow one and I'm gonna be using some of these shades in today's look because I love these warm tones. The Colourpop eyeshadow in the shade Millie is Thanksgiving in a pan. Like truly, this is Thanksgiving. So I really wanna use this shade all over the eyes. And this part of the video is actually gonna be voiceover style because I have a call in 5 minutes. It is a Light Slacker meeting call and I mean, I can't miss the meeting, but I also have to film. What do you want me to do? So let's do this. Okay, so unfortunately the entire video has to be a voiceover because my call went a lot longer than I thought it was gonna go. So I already primed my eyes and now I'm going in with the first eyeshadow and this color is called Sidetracked and I am just taking this in my crease and I am really packing this mofo on. And this color is acting as our transition shade. It's gonna help all the other colors blend nicely on top. Now I'm going in with the shade Martian and I am just applying this color all over my lid, but I'm using a fluffier brush, kind of like a MAC 217 type because I am blending this color in the crease as well. So I want a more fluffy kind of brush versus a like flat shader brush. Okay, now I'm taking the shade Millie and I'm applying this color all over the lid. And I added the orange first because I really wanted the warm undertones to pop in this eyeshadow. I wanted it to look extra orangey. So I am just applying this, honestly, all over the place. Everywhere. Everywhere. And then with that same fluffy brush I used earlier, I am just blending this into my crease, making sure there isn't a harsh line in the crease where the eyeshadow stopped. So I'm just blending that together. And then I'm gonna take the first shade I used initially, Sidetracked, and I am just gonna buff this color in my crease, blending everything together. And then I'm gonna highlight my brow bone using Hear Me Out. Okay, so you can totally skip these next two steps because I don't know if it made a huge difference, but I wanted my lash line to look a little bit more smoky, so I took the shade Top Notch, and I am just applying this really, really close to the lashes, kind of packing it on like a fat eyeliner. And of course I am blending this out as I am packing it on. I don't want like a harsh line or anything. And then I took the shade called 20 something and I'm using this to highlight my inner corners with. Going back into the palette, I'm taking Feathered, and this is a deeper brown shade. And again, you don't really have to do this part, but I am taking this and I'm smoking out my lash line. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the black, which is called Let's Do It. And we're gonna create a little smokiness right there. And like I said, you don't have to do it because I kind of cover it all with eyeliner. But I'm taking the Ofra Verified Black Liquid Liner and I'm using this to create my wing. And the magic is in the wing for this look, folks. So take your time. practice. It's really, really hard to do wing liner, man. I struggle every day. But basically, I wanted a liner that was curvier on the outer corners, and I wanted something to come into my inner corners like this. I'm sure there's a name for this look. Is it like inner corner cat eye? I'm not sure, but that is what I was attempting for this look. And here I'm using my little makeup eraser pen because I always use this pen to kind of curve out my eyeliner. It's like foolproof and it helps like clean everything up. So I just added a little curviness to the ends, and then I brought it into my inner corners like a sharp little cat eye situation. I'm gonna move on to my face before I finish up the eyes. I'm taking my Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Makeup Primer and I'm priming the face. And then the foundation I used was the Authentic Skin Natural Luminous Foundation. I'm in the shade Daring. I freaking love this foundation. The coverage is amazing, but it still looks really good. It doesn't look cakey. It's not too heavy. I love it. It leaves like a nice, soft, luminous look to the skin. It's not too dewy. It really is really nice. I've been super enjoying that one. And then I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer. I love this thing. I never set it. Every time I use this concealer, I never set it. And I feel like it's not advertised as a creaseless concealer, but man, I feel that way. I feel like it's so good. It doesn't get into my lines like other concealers do. I love it. But anyway, really quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes. I'm just intensifying my inner corners and just in case some of it got blended away. And then I took the shade Top Notch and I'm using this on my lower lash line. I'm only using this shade and I'm not trying to get too smoky under there. So I just applied a little bit of this. And then I went in with my M Cosmetics black eyeliner and I tight lined and I applied it to my waterline as well. The key is black eyeliner. You want a really good pigmented black eyeliner on your waterline so that it looks like it's connected to the liquid liner. But now I'm going in with my Ofra Cosmetics HD Volumizing Mascara and I'm just applying a little bit of this to my top lashes before going in with some falsies. I applied my falsies off camera, but these are the Kiss Faux Mink Boudoir lashes. I love these, they're so easy to apply. I messed up on my right eye. You can see where I kind of glued it a little bit like onto my skin there, but yeah, I didn't notice until I was editing, so that's fine. I applied some of that mascara to my lower lash line and then that completes the eyes. Fabuloso. For the face, I am using my Cover FX Suntan bronzer to really sculpt the face, get a nice chiseled, contoured look. And then to add a kind of bronzy glow to the skin, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Take a Vacation bronzer I just recently got. It's so soft and glowy, it gives you like a little touch. It's not super noticeable, but it's there. Now I'm taking the Light as Air Signs palette from Colourpop, which it just has my blushes in it. I'm taking my So Retrograde blush. This blush is perfect for this look. It's so sheeny and warm and delicious. I'm obsessed. And I honestly feel like this highlight from Wet n Wild, this is Golden Flower Crown. This is the perfect combo with this blush because the blush has like a golden undertone, so they just mesh so well together. I love this highlight. And then I am just melting all of those powders into my skin by setting my face with my Morphe setting spray. And then we can move on to the lip. Of course, I'm using my Pat McGrath contour lip liner. It's the best, and it's so warm, and it's so yummy, and it's perfect for overdrawing the lips a bit. I love it. So I filled in my lips a little bit with that, and then I took the Wet n Wild lipstick in Java. I love this lipstick. This was actually the first time I used it, and I really, really liked it. So it has like a little bit of a sheeniness to it. It's really nice. And then I topped it off with the KKW X Mario collab. This is the Proud of You lip gloss. It's a really pretty peachy nude. So warm and delicious. But that completes this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!